Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Duronto Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 4. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Hamsafar Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform passengers. Your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 2655 Deccan Odyssey Special Express is arriving at platform number 2. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Rajdhani Superfast Express is arriving at platform number 2. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Deccan Odyssey Special Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 2. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Palace on Wheels Special Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 2. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 AC double-decker Superfast Express is scheduled to depart from platform number 2. Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Passengers, your kind attention please. Train number 12655 Tejas Superfast Express is arriving at platform number 4. Passengers,